Today we're diving headfirst into the world of luxury home tech. We're talking about those gadgets that not only make your life easier but also add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your living space. From sleek TVs that double as art pieces to coffee makers that rival your local barista, we've got 7 incredible products lined up that are sure to elevate your home to the next level. So sit back, relax, and get ready to upgrade your crib with some seriously cool tech. First up, we're kicking things off with a TV that's as much a work of art as it is a technological marvel. Imagine having a television that not only delivers stunning picture quality, but also enhances the aesthetic of your living space. That's exactly what Samsung's The Frame QLED 4K UHD TV does. It's designed to blend seamlessly into your home decor, making it a perfect addition to any room. This is Samsung's The Frame QLED 4K UHD TV. And let me tell you, this thing is in a league of its own. Not only does it offer a breathtaking viewing experience with its 4K resolution and QLED technology, but it also doubles as a piece of art when you're not watching TV. It's like having a personal art gallery right in your living room. Now, you know how most TVs, when they're off, they're just big black rectangles kind of messing with the vibe of your carefully curated living room? It's like having a giant black hole on your wall that disrupts the flow and harmony of your space. But with the Frame, Samsung has completely reimagined what a TV can be. Well, Samsung said, nah, we're not having that, and they created the Frame. This TV is designed to look like a picture frame, and it can display beautiful artworks or your own photos when it's not in use. You can even customize the bezels to match your interior decor, making it truly a part of your home. This TV actually transforms into a piece of art when you're not using it. Imagine walking into your living room and seeing a stunning piece of art on the wall instead of a blank TV screen. It's a game changer for anyone who values both technology and aesthetics. You can choose from a ton of different paintings and photographs to display, or you can even showcase your own personal photos. The Frame offers a vast library of artworks from world-renowned artists, so you can change the look and feel of your room with just a few clicks. It's like having a new piece of art every day. And the coolest part? The Frame comes with a built-in ambient light sensor that automatically adjusts the screen's brightness and color temperature to match the lighting in your room. This means that the artwork displayed on the Frame will always look natural and realistic, no matter the time of day or the lighting conditions in your room. So, whether it's day or night, your artwork will always look like the real deal. The ambient light sensor ensures that the colors and brightness are always optimized, making the art look as if it's actually painted on your wall. It's a subtle but powerful feature that enhances the overall experience. But don't let the artistic features fool you. This is still a top-of-the-line QLED 4K TV. When it's time to watch your favorite shows or movies, the Frame delivers an exceptional viewing experience with its vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible detail. The QLED technology ensures that every scene is rendered with stunning clarity and realism. We're talking vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible detail. The Frame's QLED display brings every image to life, making your viewing experience truly immersive. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie, a nature documentary, or your favorite TV show, you'll be blown away by the picture quality. Plus, it's got all the smart features you could ask for, so you can stream all your favorite shows and movies with ease. The Frame comes with a user-friendly interface and access to all the popular streaming services, making it easy to find and watch your favorite content. It's the perfect blend of art and technology, offering a unique and versatile addition to any home. Alright, moving on to something a little smaller but equally stylish, we've got the Courant wireless phone charger. Now, I'm all about that clean, minimalist aesthetic, and this charger just screams sophistication. It's crafted from this gorgeous pebble grain Italian leather that feels incredibly premium. And it's not just about looks. This thing is seriously functional too. The Catch 3 charging station can juice up your phone wirelessly, and it's got dedicated spots for your AirPods and Apple Watch. It's like a valet tray for your tech, keeping everything organized and looking sharp on your nightstand or desk. Plus, Courant offers a bunch of different leather finishes and colors, so you can find the perfect one to match your style. Now, for all you coffee lovers out there, I've got something truly special. This is the Joy Resolve Coffee Alarm Clock, also known as the Barisieur, and it's about to revolutionize your mornings. Imagine this, your alarm goes off, but instead of that jarring beeping sound, you're greeted by the rich aroma of freshly brewed coffee. That's the magic of the Barisieur. This thing is part alarm clock, part coffee maker, and 100% pure genius. It grinds the beans fresh every morning, so you're getting the absolute best flavor. and it's got this really cool, almost futuristic design that looks stunning on your nightstand. Plus, it features a mini fridge to keep your milk fresh overnight, so you can wake up to the perfect cup of coffee without even leaving your bed. Speaking of coffee, if you're serious about your caffeine game, you need to check out the Terra Kaffe. This is not your average coffee maker. This is a full-on, at-home barista experience. We're talking precise temperature control, customizable grind size, adjustable water volume, even milk frothing capabilities. This machine lets you fine-tune every single aspect of your coffee brewing process, so you can recreate your favorite cafe-quality drinks right in your own kitchen. And the best part? The Terra Kaffe is incredibly easy to use. It's got this intuitive touchscreen interface that guides you through every step, from selecting your beans to choosing your desired strength. Alright, let's switch gears a bit and talk about something for all you plant parents out there. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this is something that will pique your interest. This is the garden, and it's about to change the way you think about indoor gardening. Imagine having a lush, green oasis right in your living room, no matter the season. The garden is a sleek vertical garden that lets you grow up to 30 different plants at once, all year round, right in your living room. From fresh herbs to vibrant vegetables, you can cultivate a variety of plants without stepping outside. It's like having your own personal farm-to-table experience, but without the farm. Imagine plucking fresh basil for your pasta or harvesting crisp lettuce for your salad, all from the comfort of your home. This thing is packed with technology. It's not just a garden, it's a smart garden. It's got built-in cameras and sensors that monitor your plant's growth and automatically adjust the water and light levels to create the perfect growing environment. No more guesswork, just healthy, thriving plants. And if you're not exactly a green thumb, don't worry. The Garden app is there to coach you every step of the way. The app provides real-time updates and personalized advice, making indoor gardening a breeze. It'll send you notifications when it's time to harvest your veggies, and it'll even give you tips on how to keep your plants happy and healthy. With the garden, you can enjoy the benefits of gardening without the hassle, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. Next up, we're talking about something that's often overlooked but can make a huge difference in your home scent. And no, I'm not talking about those old-school air fresheners that just mask odors with a bunch of chemicals. I'm talking about the Pura Smart Home Fragrance Diffuser. This thing is like the Tesla of air fresheners. It uses these really cool fragrance capsules that you can swap out depending on your mood. They've got everything from fresh linen to sandalwood to even coffee scents. And the best part? You can control the whole thing from your phone. You can set schedules, adjust the scent intensity, and even create custom scent blends. Last but not least, we've got something for all the fitness enthusiasts out there. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, this next piece of tech is going to revolutionize the way you work out at home. This is Mirror, and it's about to transform your living room into a high-tech home gym. Imagine having access to a world-class fitness studio without ever leaving your house. Now I know what you're thinking. Another workout mirror? But this isn't just any mirror, it's a complete fitness system designed to bring the best workouts right to your home. But trust me, this is different. The mirror offers a unique blend of technology and fitness expertise that sets it apart from anything else on the market. The mirror is like having a personal trainer right in your home. It provides personalized workout plans tailored to your fitness level and goals, ensuring you get the most effective workout every time. It streams thousands of on-demand and live fitness classes from yoga and Pilates to boxing and HIIT. No matter what type of workout you're into, there's something for everyone. And it's not just about following along to a video. The mirror actually uses AI and machine learning to track your movements and provide you with real-time feedback on your form. This ensures you're performing exercises correctly and safely. It's like having a virtual spotter, making sure you're getting the most out of your workout. The real-time feedback helps you improve your form and avoid injuries, making your workouts more effective and safer. Plus, it's incredibly sleek and stylish, so it won't stick out like a sore thumb in your home. The mirror blends seamlessly with your home decor, adding a touch of elegance to your living space while providing a powerful fitness tool. And there you have it, folks. 7 luxury home tech gadgets that are guaranteed to elevate your space. From stunning TVs that double as art pieces to coffee makers that rival your local barista, these gadgets are the perfect blend of style, innovation, and functionality. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a design lover, or just looking to add a touch of luxury to your life, there's something on this list for everyone. Be sure to check out the links in the description below for more information on each of these awesome products.